Good afternoon. I have downloaded the Ledger Live from the website, set up the device, wrote down the recovery phase in the document, and the given document, set the pin, then have run the ledger in the administrator mode, have connected to the USB port through the given cable, then have set the pin code, correct pin code, and then run the Ledger Live. Now this particular Ledger Live version is a freshly downloaded one, reinstalled, and I have been running this process for the last 6 hours. I have removed the antivirus software. I have further removed the firewall protection that was there in my net connection. Now this is going on for more than 6 hours, going on and on, simply going on and on. There's no sign of the device completing the setup, and I am not seeing the Ledger Live Ledger Live window. The interface of the Ledger Live is not coming, and this is not being recorded. I have tried this several times. A few days back, I have kept running this particular process for more than three continuous days, yet there was no change seen. So I think that my Ledger Nano S device has some problem. I have repeatedly tried this process, yet have seen no change. So I think this particular device requires a replacement. Thank you.